Let's say that again.
So, in the 50s, Cincinnati was very special for the sedimentological studies. And what happened? Why was Cincinnati such a premium powerhouse?
Well, in the 50s, John Rich was there. And he was a very smart man. And he was a petroleum geologist. And he came to Cincinnati rather late in life. So he was not a young professor who received a PhD and became an academic. He was middle-aged with a lot of experience. And he was matched in the 50s, in the 40s, by Walter Bucher, who was a famous Cincinnati and Columbia professor. And Walter Bucher was a German and interested in tectonics, but was also a sedimentologist. And another a paleontologist by Kenneth Castor was there, who was a very fine scholar who was not so interested in sedimentary rocks, but interested in careful description. And the three of them trained a lot of people. A little later, Gordon Rittenhouse of Shell came to Cincinnati. And first he had worked for the U.S. Geologic Survey, and then he was in Cincinnati. So there was a combination of people and after World War II there for a while that trained a lot of people for petroleum and in sedimentary rocks.
So who was the main magnet in Cincinnati in order to attract all of these people?
Well, it wasn't until perhaps Wayne Pryor came, and that was not in the 50s. Well, he came in the late 50s, and John Rich was no longer there, and Bucher was dead, I believe, but he had gone to Columbia. And Wayne Pryor was there, and Castor were there. And Pryor came from the Gulf Oil Company and the Illinois Survey. And I came to Cincinnati, I would say, through Pryor's invitation, but we were good friends because we had worked together. Cincinnati really became a powerhouse in it was good in the late 50s. And then Rich died, and Bucher left. And then Wayne Pryor went there in the early 60s, and I came in 1971. And then Barry came in 1974. We worked together because we developed a little research fund to fund the students. We had a common interest. Wayne had tremendous energy. He loved students. Barry provided the chemistry that Wayne and I didn't know, and I don't know what I did. I probably did the least of all, and I think Wayne was the real leader in many ways, but we were all complementary, and we worked together for many years. And then I was getting older, and I went to Brazil, and then Wayne died, and Barry is still there, and I'm back there, but I'm retired, so I don't teach very much.